He conveyed President Xi Jinping's greetings to the French leader, saying President Xi highly values the China-France relationship. Wang described it as comprehensive and strategic. He said China wanted to deepen this relationship. He said the top priority was to restart exchanges between the two sides while controlling the coronavirus pandemic and step up cooperation on vaccine development. France is the fourth stop on Wang Yi's five-country European tour, which has already taken him to Italy, the Netherlands and Norway. Wang Yi will wrap up the trip in Germany. Tony Waterman has more.
France and China have a long history, but this trip is about the future. What is that relationship going to look like post-pandemic? China would like to see an even closer partnership. So Foreign Minister Wang Yi is trying to reassure France that Chinese investment is still a good thing, as regulations are making it more difficult for Chinese money to flow into France. He also wants to reassure French businesses that China should remain their manufacturing hub after mass supply chain disruptions during the coronavirus pandemic led to calls for production to be brought closer to home. During his three-day stopover, Wang Yi will also meet with the French foreign minister, where the outstanding EU-China investment deal is expected to be discussed. The goal is to get that wrapped up, perhaps at a September 14th virtual summit, so that it can be signed by the end of this year. But there are some remaining issues for France and for Europe, including market access, reciprocity, and state subsidies. From China's perspective, addressing the 5G issue is paramount. Last month, French authorities said they would not renew licenses for Huawei equipment. This will essentially phase the company out of France's 5G network by 2028. And this is something, of course, that China does not want to see happen. Now, Paris may be the fourth stop in his five-country European tour, but Wang Yi is spending the most amount of time here, and this is for good reason. France is the EU's second largest economy. Emmanuel Macron is one of the most influential leaders in Europe, second only to German Chancellor Angela Merkel, with whom Wang Yi is expected to meet with early next week. So spending more time here, making a strong case about deepening cooperation, about multilateralism, about decision-making independent of U.S. influence, could help steer not just France's relationship with China, but the entire bloc's relationship with China, and strengthening China's relationship with Europe at a time when Beijing-Washington relations are so fraught is key. Tony Waterman, CGTN, Paris.